What's up? What's up? What's up? You already know. This is
It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe.
Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, all you gotta do is click subscribe. If you're not new here, welcome back again. So yeah, y'all. I guess y'all wanted to see what y'all are doing in school.
How you doing, baby?
I'm doing well. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good night.
You too. But I'm starting this new vlog because I'm gonna go someplace tomorrow. I got some places that I gotta go tomorrow. So I'm gonna wash my own car and I gotta get ready for my drill and I can't wait. Like, I thank God that God's putting everything in perspective for this trip. So I gotta go to God tonight about my trip and actually pray over the trip. But I already got I gotta go in here and talk to y'all while I'm eating because I'm gonna talk to y'all about why and what's today is and all types of stuff. So today is Tuesday, June 13th, 12th, whatever it can tell me. And that's why
My nephew, you know what I'm talking about. We ain't even been there. Thank you, baby.
you're welcome. But yeah. So halfway there. So start summer school tomorrow. I'm really had a chance to talk to y'all about summer school. But we'll talk about it in a minute. A little time ago, I'm coming to you home unless I know how. We're blessed to learn that be nourishment for my body, hence for now more. Hey ma'am. But I'm eating rice and beans and like some pork soups. I'll look down. But honestly, I got a whole vlog I need to upload. It's probably maybe tomorrow. All I know is I need to upload it. But I just been in a wreck. So I'm gonna just start off and enjoy my dinner. I'll tell you guys tomorrow. Okay, we is in public. And these are the natives that they have. So yeah, what's up y'all? We is outside in public. I actually gotta try to run home to try to and I thank God that I got ready before my bad, excuse me. I got ready before I had to leave. So I went ahead and took care of that. But I just gotta go get my life together. I gotta go get my Bible, I gotta go get my journal and stuff like that. But I just wanted to cut y'all on, kind of, you know, get y'all a little view or whatever, because I wanted to show y'all that. I know that I was talking about that on the vlog, so yeah. Good morning, family. Today is June 16th, and it is currently around 8:51, and I'm sitting here getting ready to log on to my Zoom for summer school. So yeah, and then when I get off, I'm gonna clean up. So I actually gotta clean up, and I actually gotta do a little pack of me too. So yeah, we'll see if I record that for the Less Important channel or not, but we'll see. So I'm tired, but if I get a chance during when I'm in class, I'm gonna edit the vlog. and stuff like that. I already got a video for y'all today since I can't. I know I'm not gonna have the time to post today's video. I'm just gonna post the old video. Which means I gotta get back on my grind because I done missed a couple days of that summer life. Which means a couple days I gotta drop 2 or 3 videos, but it's okay. So then we gotta get into this class and stuff like that, and I'll check on y'all when I'm done. Kind of let y'all know where I'm at and stuff like that, and I might check in midday and stuff like that. I might switch to my computer just so that way I can check with you guys, stuff like that, edit. So I know I'm gonna edit, cause that's kind of smooth sailing. So yeah, I'm gonna start here in a little bit. A little bit after 11. I'm getting my second cup of coffee. Look up in the mirror and say good morning, gorgeous. I gotta play good morning, gorgeous. When I get off. Cause when I get off, I gotta be productive. I think I'm just gonna do another chill day because tomorrow I'm gonna kind of run around with what check on my head shut off. For Sunday. Or I might relax today and then be busy Sunday. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I do know what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be in my bed today. Cause I'm just so like, I think I'm physically tired and I haven't been eating much, which means maybe lose weight. We're gonna manifest that. So let me go in here and try to wrap up this class, stuff like that, cause I don't know if he's talking or not, and I can't see. I be trying to stay by the computer, so that way if they chat me or anything like that, I can see it properly. Okay. I covered up the camera because I just did, but I'm gonna cut y'all off. But what some over here? I'll talk to y'all later. I was never doing. I'm back again. I'm out of there, baby. I just logged out. It is 11:59 on the dot, but I think I just logged out. Period. That's it. That's the post. I was cleaning my nails and stuff. And I was using this little paper to clean it with. So there you go. Dirty. Just dirty boots. And I still really didn't clean it good. Dang, let me turn y'all around. Gonna come on in a minute. Okay, there you go. See, I really didn't clean them real good, but see, like, see? So I'm gonna have to, when I get in the shower and stuff like that, hopefully all that little dirt and stuff. So that's just if I want to go ahead and take care of it, kind of get it a little clean. But I'm about to watch Bridget vlogs and stuff like kids, so let me go ahead. Y'all know this is the beginning of my channel, period. So if y'all haven't watched the last vlog, I might as well go watch it. Just for short. But I believe that the right person turning on your video. I just clicked. Just click YouTube. Okay. I'm just gonna use this tab because I'm not logging in no more. YouTube. How much percentage are we on? A good percentage. Yeah, this computer got so many fingerprints on it. Look at all the difference. Let me tell you this out. We gotta watch Bridget vlog. So we gotta watch Bridget, and I gotta go back to Instagram stories. Like I'll be watching her. And I'm about to start editing this vlog while I'm watching Bridget. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down though. You say it's special, one of a kind, one of the best.